When you open your editing app, this is what you see. But when I open mine, this is what I see. I honestly thought everyone knew this until I made this poll and everyone wanted to know how I did it. And if you're an editor, you need to know this too. It might be surprising, but go to the YouTube, then go to the upload section right here. Click the add sound, then search for whatever song you want and click the song and trim where you want it to be. Record the video. After that, you need to click next, then upload the video in private. Don't forget to do that. After you upload the video, click the option save to the device and go to your editing app, click audio and extract the video.